step-by-step guide of system to combi boiler conversion on new location. Select existing boiler's fuel type. Select your current boiler type system. Select where your current boiler located. Select yes to combi conversion. Do you want to move your boiler on new location? Yes. Select your house build type. Select where you want to move your boiler. Select number of bedrooms in your house. Select number of showers in your house. Do not include electric showers, but bathtub with or without shower count as one. Select flue installation through roof or through wall. Enter your house postcode where you want new boiler to be installed. View details of recommended boilers with full installation quotations according your selections. Click VAT arrow to view more detail. Click APR arrow to view monthly installments. Click to view boiler offer detail page. Click select to get offer in email or to go to order review page. Click send quotation in email or continue to order review page. Enter your detail to reserve your order. Domestic and general heating limited. Always one step ahead. For any question, please call us on 08000 786 085. We are always here to help you.